There's this one area that I always take my friends to.
So many like really cool small music venues around us.
Every single block, 5 artists. Everything is an Instagrammable moment.
The seafood is crazy, right? Like super good.
I'm obsessed with New Smyrna Beach.
It's part of me. I mean, I bleed Tampa.
St. Augustine is really hard to beat.
Destin is just such a unique little town.
I don't think that people know how much street art covers the buildings in Miami.
If you can catch that, it is just one of the most magical experiences ever.
The food scene, the beverage scene, coffee scene is really, really on the up and up.
We've been getting incredible acts there and incredible shows.
Have you ever been to Art Basel?
People come back. They want to keep experiencing everything that they've learned to love. I mean, what more could you ask for?